Hi friends, welcome to Rianza Bakes. Today we'll see how to make an easy and healthy sandwich toast at home without store-bought bread. It's an easy recipe which can be made without an oven and without maida. So let us see how to make this. For that here I am taking 3/4 teaspoon of instant yeast in a bowl, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 180 ml of lukewarm milk. You can use water or half milk and half water. If you're using active dry yeast, first activate the yeast before adding the flour. Here I have added 150 grams of fine semolina or chiroti rava and 100 grams of whole wheat flour or atta, half teaspoon of salt, and mix well till it comes together and forms a dough. Now we'll knead the dough. Today we'll use the hand mixer to knead the dough. First knead it on low speed and then knead it at high speed for 4 to 5 minutes. Now the dough has become quite soft. We'll add 1.5 tablespoon of softened butter and knead it till it becomes soft and elastic. If using hands, knead it for about 10 to 15 minutes till the dough becomes soft and elastic. Now the dough is quite stretchable. Now we'll use our hands to form it into a ball. Make it into a nice smooth ball like this. And we'll keep it aside. We'll keep it aside till we prepare the filling. For that, here I have kept a pan and added 1 tablespoon of 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Into this we'll add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic peeled and chopped. Add 1 large onion chopped and saute it. You can add green chilies or any other herbs of your choice at this time. 1 carrot grated. And 1 capsicum chopped. You can use any vegetables of your choice and then saute it for about 1 minute. Into this we'll add salt to taste, pepper powder, chili powder and cumin powder. All this can be added according to taste, and then add 1 large potato, boiled, peeled and mashed. Mix it well. And into this we'll add about 1 cup of grated salami. Instead of salami, you can use paneer, chicken, mushrooms, etc. And 2 tablespoons of sauce and mix it well and keep it aside. Our filling is ready. Now we'll divide our dough into 5 equal portions, about 100 grams each. Each portion will be about 100 grams. And make tight balls like this of each portion and keep it aside. Now we'll flatten each ball into an oval shape and place the filling and some cheese. Bring the edges together and tightly pinch it. So that the filling doesn't come out while cooking. Now we'll press it slightly and shape it. Shape it like this and keep it aside. Similarly, we'll prepare all the 5 balls for the sandwich toast. Flatten it to this thickness, and then we'll cook it on a grill pan. Here I've kept the grill pan on stove top, and brush some melted butter and keep our prepared dough, and we'll cook this. Press it slightly. Brush some melted butter, and we'll cook this on both sides. It will take about 6 to 7 minutes. We'll cook this on low to medium flame, not on high flame, till it is evenly cooked. This is such an easy recipe and it is very delicious. You can use any filling of your choice. You can make this quick and healthy sandwich toast for tea time snack or for dinner. Hope you liked the video. Do try the recipe. I'm sure you will like it. Do share it with friends and relatives. And if you like the video, please do press the like button. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. See you with another amazing video. Bye.